Hey everyone, my name is Coach Rob DeBoer, and I want to take just a quick minute to invite you to participate in the upcoming 60-hour keto reboot from Pruvit. After leading the industry and becoming the gold standard in keto nutrition and education, our team has perfected a system and created a keto toolkit rooted in science, where literally tens of thousands of people, just like you from around the world, have rebooted their body in just 60 hours. But what does that mean? I want you to think of it this way. We've all had a laptop computer, or better yet, a smartphone that became slow and unresponsive. Maybe it picked up a virus, a file, or an unwanted program that needed to be erased and removed so it would work again. How? We hit the reset and we reboot the device. Problem solved. And that's exactly what happens during the 60-hour keto reboot. Whether it's stress from work, stress at home, poor food choices, lack of sleep, your environment, even exercise, the list goes on, giving us both physical and psychological reasons we need to reboot our body. And that's where we come in. We're asking permission to become your monthly metabolic boss. That's right, a boss that will oversee the very important business of rebooting your body. A boss that will lead, teach, train, support, and celebrate you each and every month you're on this very important metabolic job. We're going to keep you encouraged, hold you accountable as you reboot your body. There are no strings attached, no get in and got yous, no fine print. In fact, in 3 decades as a fitness, health, and nutrition coach, I've never seen something so impactful over such a short period of time, just 60 hours. So commit to us, we're going to commit to you. And get ready. This is a plateau busting, glycogen depleting, muscle sparing, fat burning, body detoxing, energy enhancing, and quite frankly, life-changing full body metabolic reboot. It's real, it's rooted in science, and it starts soon. So get back in touch with whoever shared this video. Get your Keto Reboot Kit ordered today. It's everything you need for the 60-hour experience. All you bring is the will and the want to see it through, and I'll promise you, you will not be disappointed.